Good evening, student. This is class 9th maths class. Today we are going to learn about compound interest without using formula chapter 2. So let us start from the rules. Simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time upon 100, whereas amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Second formula is, in case of the half yearly, time should be multiplied by 2 and rate should be divided by 2. Let us see some questions from exercise 2a. The first question is, calculate the amount and the compound interest on rupees 800 in 2.5 year at 15% per annum. In this question, principal is given 8,000, time is given 2.5 year, rate is given 15% per annum. We have to find out amount and compound interest. So let us use this formula. Simple interest is equal to PRT upon 100 for the first year. Principal is 8,000 into 15 into 1 by 100. After solving this, we will get it 1200 rupees. Amount, as we know that amount is principal plus simple interest, so amount is 8,000 and interest is 1,200, that is equal to 9,200 rupees. This amount of the first year will become the principal for the second year. So now let us find out the simple interest for the second year. Again we will apply the same formula, PRT upon 100. Here principal will become 9,200 into 15 into 1 upon 100. After solving this, we will get it 1,380 rupees. Now amount is equal to P plus SI. Now amount is, principal is given 9,200 plus 1,380 rupees. After adding this, we will get it 10,580 rupees. Next, simple interest for the third year. Here you will see that time is given 2.5 years. So for third year, time will become half year. Now principal will become the amount of the second year. So principal is equal to 10,580 into 15 into 1 by 2 upon 100. After solving this, we will get it simple interest as 7,793.5 rupees. Amount is equal to 10,580 plus 793.5. After adding this, we will get it 11,373.5 rupees. This is our amount. Now compound interest is equal to principal minus amount minus principal. So amount is, already we got it the amount here. We get it the amount 11,373.5 minus 8,000, that is equal to 3,373.50 rupees. Next question is, calculate the amount and the compound interest on rupees 4,600 in 2 years when the rate of interest of successive years are 10% and 12% respectively. In this question, principal is given 4,600 rupees, rate, now rate for the first year is 10% per annum. Rate for the second year is given 12%. Now let us find out the simple interest for the first year. PRT upon 100. Here P is 4,600 into 10 into 1 upon 100. So simple interest will become 460 rupees. Amount will be principal plus simple interest of 4,600 plus 460 rupees is equal to 5,060 rupees. Now simple interest for the second year, simple interest is equal to PRT. Again we will apply the same formula. Here principal will be the amount of the first year, so 5,060 rupees into 12 into 1 by 100, because here rate for the second year it is given 12%. So after solving this equation, we will get it 101.2 into 6, that is equal to 607.2 rupees. Now amount is equal to principal plus simple interest, so 5,060 rupees plus 607.2 rupees, that is equal to 5,667.20 rupees. This is our amount in 2 years. Now compound interest, amount minus principal, so 5,667.20 minus 4,600 is equal to 1,067.20 rupees will be our answer as a compound interest. Next question is question number 3. A borrowed rupees 2,500 from B at 12% per annum compound interest. After 2 years, A gave 2,936 and a watch to B. To clear the amount, find the cost of the watch. In this question, principal is 2,500 rupees given, rate is 12%, time is 2 years. Simple interest for the first year, let us find out. PRT upon 100. So here principal is 25 into 12 upon 1 into 100. After solving this, we will get it 300 rupees as a simple interest for the first year. Now amount after first year will become principal plus simple interest, that is equal to 2500 plus 300, that is equal to 2800 rupees. Means 2800 rupees will be the amount for the first year. This amount will become the principal for the second year. Simple interest for the second year, again we will apply the same formula, PRT upon 100. So 2800 into 12 into 1 upon 100. So after solving this, we will get it 28 into 12, that is equal to 336 rupees. Amount is equal to P plus simple interest. So 2800 rupees plus 336, that is equal to 3136 rupees will be the amount after second year. Now amount paid. How much amount A has paid to B? 2936 plus watch, that is equal to 3136. So what is the cost of watch? We will subtract it. This 2936 from 3136. We'll get it 200 rupees, the cost of the watch.